Welcome, today I'm showing you how to lock your SIM card with SIM pin into a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your settings and find password and security option, this one. Go into, in this menu find privacy option, and now how you can see on the top we got SIM lock block option. So from the list choose your SIM card, go into this option, and here we got lock SIM card option. So activate this option, and for locking need to enter your PIN and tap OK. And that's it. Now we block our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.